We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone ear speaker not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The ear speaker or piece not working is a really annoying problem because then you can't go and hear sound through it, and perhaps you're trying to go and have a phone call and then it means you have to go and put it on speaker and everybody can go and hear it, or perhaps you're running into other problems and it's just annoying. So we've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full video. So to get started, you need to go and find the settings app on your iPhone and go and open it up. For the first fix, you want to go down and you want to go and find Bluetooth and go and tap on it. First of all, you want to go and turn this off and make sure that all connections are stopped, because what may be happening is the sound is being sent to another device, making you think that the ear speaker and in fact the entire speaker system in the iPhone isn't working because in fact it's being sent elsewhere. So try turning that off, and now you can try using the earpiece or speaker, and hopefully now the problem's solved. If you're still finding it isn't, it's worth that you go and do an update just in case there's a software problem with this. So you can go and open up the settings. You need to go and scroll down, find the option for general and tap there, go and find the option for software update. It will then go and check. If there's any update available, you can go and do it. The iPhone will restart and go and see if it's then solved. Hopefully it is. If it doesn't solve it, or there's no update available like mine, the next thing you want to try doing is we want to try going and inspecting the ear speaker itself. And you want to make sure that it's not blocked and it's not got any dust or debris in there, because often when you go and use the phone, you go and put it in your pocket and things like that, you're going to go and collect dust and lint and other just debris in there, which is going to go and block it and stop it from working. So what you want to do is go and get a very soft brush and you want to go and rub it and just go and dislodge anything in there, and you just want to go and give it a good clean, because often this is going to be the problem, and other people have said this is going to solve it for them is by giving it a really good clean. So go and do that now, and hopefully after you do that, you can try using it and hopefully it's now going and working. The next fix you can try doing is doing a force restart. As often, just a force restart will go and refresh things and it will go and solve the problem. So to do that, it's actually a button combination. We're going to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then hold down the side power button. I'm going to guide you through this step by step so you know what to do. So let's press the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. Now you just keep this held down. You'll go and see the slide to power off screen, but don't touch anything, just keep the button held down. Shortly, the phone will go black. Keep on holding it down. You're only going to go and release when you go into the Apple icon. So at this point, you can then release and you're going to go and see that it's now starting. It's now back on. And then what you can do is you can try using the earpiece and speaker, and hopefully now it's working, as that will just go and refresh anything and hopefully resolve any problems with the software which could be causing it. If that still isn't working, then what you should try doing is coming into your settings, come to the main page, and you need to go and scroll down, find the option for general. Then you want to go and scroll down to the bottom and find the option for transfer or reset iPhone. You can go down and press reset, and what we can try doing is resetting all the settings. This will set the settings back to default, and it may go and solve the problem as long as it's been set, which is causing the issue. So it's worth doing that if nothing else has worked so far. So do that. You'll then need to go and enter in your iPhone passcode and go and let it complete. And after you've done that, you can then try using the earpiece and speaker, and hopefully then the problem's solved. So that's it. I hope with the help of this video, the problem is now gone and you can now go and use the ear speaker. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more guys like this to come, so make sure you go and check out the channel and stay tuned. I look forward to helping you again. Goodbye.